Personalize the look of Windows 11 by customizing colors and choosing modes. Right-click anywhere on the desktop and select Personalize. Click on Colors to see an array of options for modes, effects, and accent colors. Mode choices include Light, Dark, and Custom. These are color combination schemes for your Windows environment. You can select your own accent color with the manual setting for Light mode. Light mode is designed to work well during daylight hours, as the Windows environment will adopt a lighter color tone. Dark mode is a much darker tone, which works well in a low-lit environment and uses specific color schemes for the Start menu, taskbar, and Action Center. Custom mode allows you to have separate modes in which Windows and apps can have their own individual settings. Play around to see which combinations you like best. Toggle on or off transparency effects to give menus and bars a translucent look. For high contrast options, under Related Settings, click on Contrast Themes. The theme preview displays the 4 different contrast types. Select the one you want from the drop-down menu and click Apply. Experiment with each to find the right one for you. Whenever you need help or have any questions, you can always reach out to us through social media for assistance. Be sure to check out the Dell Community Forum for answers to common questions, or join us and sign in to create your own post. We have a huge support video library available on this channel, so become a subscriber today. Thanks for watching.